Good morning, student. So today we'll go for another case study. As I have already given you the question paper, and it is a case study for Care Up Private Limited. So Care Up Private Limited is a Bangalore-based software firm established its new setup at Nagpur for software application and web development. The new campus has 4 blocks: front office, data center, developers and programmers are shown in the figure. So here is the figure in which the Care App company has 4 different blocks, that is the front office, developers, data center and the programmer. And the distance between the center are from front office to data center 60 meters, front office to developer 70 meters, front office to programmer 110 meters, data center to programmers 50 meters, data center to developers 65 meters and developers to programmers 100 meters. Then number of computers are: the front office has 85 number of computers, data center 70 computers, developer 30 computers and the programmers has 35 computers. Okay, now come to the question. The first question is, as usual, we have to suggest the cable layout. I already told in the last session that in case of the cable layout, we have to approach 2 type of cable layout. One is the according to the distance, which is the economy way of connecting. Another is according to the number of computers, which is efficient way for connecting. So first go for the number of computers. So in case of the number of computers, what happens? The maximum number of computers are in front office, that is 85 computers. So simply we should connect this front office with each other office. Now this is a kind of connection that is according to your number of computer. This is according to number of computer. Okay. Now the second kind of layout, that is your according to the distance between the distance between the building. So according to distance, so as I told you, in case of according to distance, what we have to do, we have to check the minimum distance, which is the minimum distance between the buildings or the block. So here the minimum distance is 50 meters, that is from data center to programmer. From the data center to programmer is the distance with 50 meters. So first simply connect data center to programmer. Then the next distance, minimum distance is 60 meters, that is between the front office and the data center. So we are connecting the front office with the data center now. Now these 3 blocks are connected. We have only one block, that is the developers block. So the developers, if the developers is connecting with the front office, then also it is established the complete network. If it is connecting with the programmers, then also complete setup will appear. If it is connecting with the data center, then also complete setup will appear. Now let's see which is the minimum distance, whether it is front to developer or data center to developer or the programmer to developer. So if you are going for the developers to programmer is 100 meters, this distance is 100 meters. Then from data centers to developer is 65 meters, this is 65 meters, and the front centers to developer is 70 meters. So this is the minimum distance, having 65 meters between the data center to the developer. So connect this data center to the developer. Now in this kind of connection, we have according to distance, we are connecting the computer, and it is the economy way of connecting. Okay, but previously whatever we did, according to the number of computer, that is the efficient way for connectivity. Okay, now come to the next question, that is name the block where the server of the network can be installed. Name the block where the server of the network can be installed. I told you before, in case of the server, it should be installed where the maximum number of computers are installed. So here front office is the having maximum number of computers. So the answer should be front office. The answer is front office. Then the third one is name the block where the following network devices are will be used. Okay, and the devices are the repeater and the your switch. Okay, now see, in case of your connectivity, if you remember the diagram of connectivity between the according to the number of according to the number of computers, we have a connection between the front office and the programmer. Now this front office and programmer, I think the distance is 110 meters. So within the front office and the programmer, we need a amplifier. I need a repeater so that we can amplify the signal, or amplification purpose we need a repeater. Whereas the second one is a switch. As I told you, the switch is a central device that used to connect many computers. So each and every block need a switch for connecting the computers in between that particular block. But repeaters should be installed between the front office and the programmer's block, because the distance between the front office and the programmer block is 110 meters. So the third question, the first answer is between front office and programmers. Whereas the answer of second question is about the switch at each block. At each block. Clear? Now come to the fourth question. That is, here is a long question. That is, the company wants to connect the front office with the security officer's cabin, which is at the main gate about 500 meters away from the front office. Which of the following cables should be used for connectivity? So the distance between the front office and the security officer's cabin is 500 meters. So if you refer for the different communication medium, in case of wired communication medium, we have learned about three kind of wires: coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, or which is twisted pair cable, or that is also known as Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable, coaxial cable, and the fiber optic cable, in which I told you the Ethernet cable can be used in between 100 meter or 200 meter. If you are connecting, then we should use the Ethernet cable. If it is higher up to 1 kilometer, then we should use coaxial cable, and if it is more than 1 kilometer or about 50 kilometers distance is that, then we should use the optical fiber. So in this particular case, the distance is 500 meters, so the Ethernet cable is not feasible. You should use either coaxial cable or the fiber optic cable. But the fiber optic cable is very expensive, so that we should use the coaxial cable. So the answer of the fourth question is coaxial cable. Clear? The next question is, where should be the modem of the network installed and why? So already I have told you, the modem is always installed at the block or the offices or the building where the server is situated. The reason behind this, because of the 80-20 rule. In the last session I told you what is 80-20 rule. Okay, so the answer of the fifth question is what the server installed, that is the maximum number of computer in the front office. So server is situated at the front office, that means the modem should be installed at the front office. So the answer is front office. The answer is front office. Why? What is the reason for installing the server at the front office? For the 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule, that means the 80% of total network traffic that will be handled by the local network, and 20% of the total network traffic will be handled by the global network or internet. Okay. Then come to the sixth question, and this is the last question. That is, the company will have to a regular interaction with the head office at Bangalore. Which of the following network types should be used? So here we have the option internet, MAN and LAN. So LAN within a campus, so LAN is not possible. MAN within a city, it is also not possible, because we have to connect from Nagpur to Bangalore. So that it should be internet or WAN. So WAN is not in the list, internet is the list, so the answer is internet. Okay, so this is the case study of your Care App Private Limited or Care App Private Limited as a software firm that established its new campus as Nagpur, and according to this structure or this kind of diagram, we have to study what kind of network and what kind of layout and where the different devices are situated. Thank you and have a nice day.